Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Zoe and welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create our very own line journal interior for a 6x9 notebook. So let's jump into Canva. I'm already here, so you just need to catch up. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to click create design because we're going to create a custom design. So you're going to select the plus that says custom size. And since we're doing a 6x9 journal, we need to account for the bleed. So our dimensions are gonna be 6.125 inches by 9.250 inches. First, you have to make sure you change the pixels to inches. And we're just gonna type in our dimensions here. So 6.125 by 9.250. Okay, you just click create new design. So here we have our page, and the next thing that we're going to do is go over to elements, search for line, and select the line that we'd like to use. So I'm going to go with this. As you can see, it's on our page, but it's a little bit too thick, so we're going to go over to this icon here and change the line weight. Right here you have that is at 5. We're going to change it to 1 by just using the slider. We're going to now adjust the position of our line and just extend the line all the way out to the end of the page. Okay, alright, so still this line needs a little bit more adjusting because it's too dark. We're going to change the color by going to color, and I'm going to select a gray. Okay, alright, now that we've changed our line to our liking, we're gonna duplicate it by clicking the duplicate button here. I'm gonna just duplicate this about 5 times and adjust them as needed. I'm gonna show you a tip by just clicking positions. You can space them evenly, vertically, horizontally. Alright, so you just do that and fix the page. We're going to copy this till we have filled our pages or filled our page, and not to worry too much about getting the exact spacing because we're going to do the position tip again. Okay, so once more, highlight all, go to positions. You're going to space evenly, vertically, horizontally, and you're going to click tidy up. Okay, let's ensure that. Okay, alright, so now we have our page evenly spaced. Next, we're going to need 190 more pages just like this one to make our book. But you probably think we can just go here and just duplicate this 120 times, but we can't. In Canva, you're only allowed to have 100 pages, and let's be honest, copying this page 100 times is going to be quite time consuming. So what I use is a PDF duplicator. So what I'm going to do now is download my PDF as a PDF print and download my page. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna head over to Google, or I'm just gonna type in the search bar PDF duplicator. Okay, and I'm gonna use the first one, I am 2 box, and click here. Next, you're gonna drag your file, your PDF, or upload it right here. And you're gonna select the number of copies that you want. Okay, so you're just going to click merge and duplicate, and we'll check our new file. Okay, now you see there's 120 pages. Alright, so now all you need to do is to create your book cover, which I have a tutorial on. I'll leave that in the link below. Now you're ready to upload your line journal interior to Amazon KDP. If you want, I have left a link below to my Gumroad shop where you can download this line interior for free if you don't want to waste your time and create this on your own. and you want to get started right away. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.